Okay, we're back. My brother's just being really annoying. He's saying stuff like, oh, if you skip it to the, if you don't skip it to the shit, then you'll get lots of views, and if you don't, people will question you. But I know you guys will just get bored by it, because all I'm doing is just walking to a ship. And you know this is glitchy, so it takes ages to get to a different planet. Oh, it's these idiots. Okay, and then up to here. What's in here? Nothing. Okay, so we're just gonna helipad. Mostly you don't really have a helipad when you do this one, so that's why there's stairs when you go into there. But it's much more easier with the helipad. See. Okay, so we're just gonna go get this over with.
Blast it!
Look, plumber's crack.
What did you just say?
I said, look, the plumber's back.
All right, wise guy. Shouldn't you be on one of them escape transports?
Escape transports?
Newsflash, giant robots attacking. The escape transports are taking all the rich folks off this god-darn planet.
So why aren't you on one?
Socioeconomic disparity.
What?
He hasn't got enough bolts.
Working people have to wait for Captain Quark to save us.
Well, got anything worth a lot of bolts?
I got this thing. Shows two weirdos ditching their ship. It's got coordinates to a desert planet, too.
An infobot. Ratchet, we could use that.
Oh, 500. This guy isn't an expensive idiot.
Geronimo!
Did he just slide down a sewer pipe?
Mayday, mayday! This is the solar ship Radical. We seem to be under attack from the planet's surface.
Relax, kid. It looks like some sort of fireworks display. Probably in your honor.
Whoa! That was close. Ah!
Pipe down, I can't concentrate.
Oh, we've been hit!
An unexpected detour. When we land, I'll see if I can scare up an exhibition for you.
We're not gonna live that long.
Kid, let's hamstring!
Eject! Eject!
Did you see that guy on the left? That was Skid McMarks.
Does he know Captain Quark?
I doubt it. He's a pro hoverboarder. Always going off about how cool he is.
Looks like he's in trouble.
I'll say. I've never seen him look so freaked out.
Okay, so this one hasn't been very long. So I'm gonna... I don't know what to do. I mean, it's a bit boring when you go to the ship. Since it's been so short then, might as well. Okay, so we need to go to this one. Okay, so we're here. I'm gonna do this slingshot thing. Why do I always use my wrench? Be careful with that flamethrower. You might burn yourself. They're not very good. Trying to kill me. Okay, nanotech. Don't really need any help. Now I need nanotech. Ow! What? Oh, come on. Okay, so it's this way we're gonna take. Wait, what? There we go. Okay, that was odd. Ah. Okay, back up. What?
If you'd like, you can reverse your camera controls. Just select the camera from the options menu.
Okay, then if you hear this sudden moving, it's just my brother being an idiot like normal. He's just moving around on the chair. Or the sofa. Oh no, it's gonna explode. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, so close. Okay, this is the bit that I like. Okay, I'm gonna start going into the ship. I do not know why. Okay, we're gonna leave it here. Okay, see you guys.